I am Dr. Prachi Singh, Assistant Professor Mathematics, Government VYT PG Autonomous College, Durg, Chhattisgarh. Today we are talking about MSc 4th semester Mathematics, fuzzy sets and their application, Unit 5 Decision Making, and today's topic is Multi-Criteria Decision Making. Multi-Criteria Decision Making, MCDM. As the name suggests, there are more than one criteria to find a result. If there are a number of criteria to find an appropriate decision, the process is called multi-criteria decision making. Each criteria induces a particular ordering of the alternatives, given alternatives, and we have to find a most preferable ordering of these alternatives. This type of problem is much similar than multi-person decision making, MPDM. One depends on person, multi-person depends on person, and other depends on criteria. Multi-criteria depends on criteria. The difference is that the ordering represent either preference of different people or rating based on different criteria. Let C is equal to C1, C2 and so on. Cn is the set of criteria by which we have to construct ordering for a set of alternatives x is equal to x1, x2 and so on, xm. It is noted that the set C must always be finite. It means number of criteria must be finite. Here we assume that the set X is also finite. For this model, here we assume that this set of alternatives is also finite. It means both sets C and X must be finite. Let the information with respect to ordering of each alternative for different criteria is given by a matrix. The matrix is R. Rows are C1, C2 and so on, Cn. Columns are x1, x2 and so on, xm. R11, R12 and so on, R1m and so on. Where Rij is equal to degree to which criteria Ci is satisfied by an alternative xj. This matrix R is a representation of relation between C and X, that is relation in C cross X. Case 1. These entries may be in 0, 1, that is entries Rij belongs to 0, 1. 0, 1, that is fuzzy, because in fuzzy sense we take all entries between 0, 1. Case 2. If Rij are not in 0, 1, they are in R plus, then we have to convert them in fuzzy, that is in 0, 1, by a suitable formula and then get the matrix R. Let S is equal to Sij is the matrix of C cross X, in which Sij are not in 0, 1. Then by the formula, this formula, we can convert matrix Sij into matrix Rij, that is matrix R. The formula is Rij is equal to Sij minus min Sij, max Sij minus min Sij. Sij minus min of the ith row. Min Sij means min of the ith row. Max Sij means max of the ith row. And min Sij, it means min of the ith row. So we see that this case 1 is the special case of case 2. Case 2 is general case of case 1. by finding a global criteria Rj for each xj belongs to xj. X it means set of alternatives. We convert into single criteria decision problem. Rj is equal to h of R1j, R2j and so on, Rnj. This function h r it may be max, it may be min, it may be plus, addition, it may be multiplication, or any one of them are any more. By the formula Rj is equal to summation Wi Rij upon summation Wi, where this I belongs to 1 to n and Wi represents the weights that represent the relative importance of criteria Ci. Relative importance of criteria Ci. Now we explain this process with an example. Let there are 4 alternatives. We have to order them. With the help of 5 criteria, C is equal to C1, C2, C3, C4 and C hat. We have to order the alternatives. The weights. W1 is equal to 0.5, W2 is equal to 0.4, W3 is equal to 0.6, W4 is equal to 0.8, W5 is equal to 0.2. For each criteria, C1 के लिए W1 is equal to 0.5, C2 के लिए W2 is equal to 0.4, C3 के लिए W3 is equal to 0.6 and so on is given. The relation matrix between C and X is given as follows. The relation matrix between C and X is given as rows in the criteria and alternatives in columns. By the formula Rij is equal to Sij minus mean of the ith row upon max of the ith row minus mean of the ith row. We convert this mapping S into R, mapping R, such that R34, if we want R34, then S34, it means third row and fourth column. This one is 4, mean of the third row. This one is third row and mean is 2. So 2, so 4 minus 2 upon max is 4 minus same mean is 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 1. So the entry of third row and fourth column is 1. This one is 1. Similarly, we can construct this matrix R. All the entries of this matrix are between 0 and 1, that is are fuzzy numbers. Now we find global criteria Rj by the formula summation Wi Rij upon summation Wi. I is changeable, I change हो रहा है. So R1 is equal to W1 R11 plus W2 R21 plus W3 R31 plus W4 R41 plus W5 R51 upon W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4 plus W5. Putting these values, we get 0.4272 for x1. Similarly, R2 is equal to 0.28 for x2, R3 is equal to 0.45 for x3 and R4 is equal to 0.4412 for x4. Now, ordering the alternatives. The greatest value of R is 0.45. It is for x3. So x3 comes first, followed by R4 is 0.4412 for x4. So x4, then x1, then x2. So the order of alternatives is x3, x4, x1 and x2.